Hi everyone, I'm Manish Kumar in Civil Department. Today the topic is method of dewatering. Method of dewatering, and contents are topics which I am telling now is introduction, purpose of dewatering, methods of dewatering, widely used of techniques, sump pumping, well point pumping, deep welting to be taken care while dewatering. An introduction of dewatering. Dewatering is a term for the control of groundwater by pumping. On the construction site, it may know as construction dewatering, while in mine, it's mine dewatering, pumping for well or sumps to the temporarily low groundwater level to the all allow excavation to be made in the dry and stable condition below natural ground level. Purpose of dewatering: provide a dry excavation and permit construction to be proceed efficiently, reduce lateral loads on sheeting and bracing in excavation, improve supporting characteristics of foundation material, increase stability of excavation slopes and side hill fields. These are the purpose of dewatering. And methods of dewatering are in four methods: collection of water, pumping, filtering and removing slits and impurities, discharging at proper location. These are the four methods of dewatering. uh, Widely used dewatering techniques are sump pumping, well points, deep wells, ejector wells. These are the four widely used dewatering techniques. This can be known by sump pumping. Sump pumping is a pumping water from some hole in the ground. Excavation up to 8 meter below bump. Installation level, water is pumped to storm drain exterior away from home. These are the features of sump pumping. Sump pumping topic. Advantages and disadvantages of method of dewatering. Advantages: it is widely used the method. It is economical, can be used for moist soil and rock condition. These are the advantages of dewatering. And disadvantages of dewatering is risk of collapse of sides, risk of instability of base due to upward. These two are the disadvantages of method of dewatering. Well point system. In dewatering there are some system, well point system, most common type of method in dewatering. Wells are properly drilled around the construction area. These are when the wells is construction between the drilled and construction area. And in the figure the shown the well point system shown in the figure. Grifton well point, groundwater drawn, dispersed groundwater table, slitly sand, fine sand, gravity sand, sand luminosity, water table. These are the well point system labels and figure shown in the page. Advantages and disadvantages of well point system. Advantages: effective in sand soil, installation rapidly, cheap and flexible. Disadvantages: not effective beyond 4 to 6 of drawn down, requires stages for well installation. These are the advantages and disadvantages of well point system. The well point system mainly consists of 2 points and advantages and disadvantages. Deep well in and this is the second system, deep well. Deep well system consists of one or more individual wells. Each has some submersible pump at the well shaft. In the figure it shows the deep well system is placed under the ground where the soil structure is below the ground, and the well point system pipeline structure is placed between the attached to the deep well system. And when the discharge point in the water surface above the ground, and static water table will be the pipelines supplies from the water surface to the water river pond. Discharge point will be the end of the surface area, so the pumps will be under the ground. These are called deep well. Deep well is known as underground. The advantages and disadvantages of deep well. The advantages are no limits on drawn down, fewer wells required than well system. Disadvantages are expensive to install. These are the advantages and disadvantages of deep well, and the figure is shown in the page. Next topic: things to be taken care during dewatering. You should take care of when the process is going in dewatering. Dewatering activities must be properly avoid eroding the soil of the construction site. Choose best location for discharge. Water should not pump directly into slopes. Avoid dewatering under heavy rains. These are the care during dewatering taken by the dewatering surface, and water must properly avoid eroding and soil construction site. Choose best location for the discharge. Water should not be pumped directly into the slope. Avoid dewatering under heavy rains. These are the topics. And thank you. This is for this season. We already know that care of dewatering, advantages and disadvantages of deep well. This is the process, and advantages of disadvantages of well point system, and we know about well point system. Advantages and disadvantages of sump pumping. These are the sump pumping topics and the sump pumping disadvantages. Widely dewatering techniques. Usually we know about method of widely dewatering techniques, and method of dewatering, purpose of dewatering, and introduction of dewatering. These are the topics we note in this section. And thank you.